Okay, you guys having trouble cutting your wood? When you cut through a log, does it lift up and down your band? Does your band move up and down and then it's not cutting straight across? Well, when I first started about a year and a half, I was having the same trouble. And what really kind of helped me out, there's some other things along with it, but one of the major things that helped me out is what type of tension you have to put on this band. By cranking it, some of them, some will crank in so far, they'll have a blocker that actually stops them. And that means that's as far as you go. Uh, I don't think mine has, and if it does, I don't remember. But what I was doing was just like everybody else when I first started out. It would cut through it and raise up and come down. I think what it does, it hits a knot, a hard part of the wood, especially if you're cutting hard wood. Um, so what I did, I kept looking around to see if anybody had any suggestions or any reviews. And I found a video online by Cook Sawmill. Great people. Bought some bands off of them. They got some nice products out there. Really nice saws too. And the guy was standing there with a band. Actually not a band. I call it band tension. It's actually a tension meter is what it's called. And you put it on your band here, and then you tighten up. Let me show you what it looks like. Uh, this one here comes in a little box, a little metal box. So that's a plus. And then right here's the gauge, a little meter, and you can see it's got some numbers and stuff on it, a couple little set dials. Once you get it all set up, it works really well. And these are the two knobs that tightens down. Your band goes in between here, so when you tighten your band, it pulls like this, and it tells you how many pound pressure you have. So that makes it nice so you can stop where you want to do it. And all you do is you take it, you put it on your band, pull back just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, and then you tighten up your band. Now you want to try to find out what's the best for your product. I don't know. I'm sure they're all different. Maybe some of the bands are different, how they harden the bands or whatever. But you don't want to pull, you know, you don't want to put too much tension on this band. If you put too much on it, you're going to pull setting out of it. And then it's not going to cut the wood that you want to cut. And also you can break that band. So you really don't want to do that. What I do is I have a desired number on there that I like to keep in mind, especially when I'm cutting hardwood. And I also, when I'm done at the end of the day, I let all the pressure back off of that band. And I do this every time I start up. I know some people say, well, that's a lot because you come back up the next day and you use it again. And I really don't, I like doing it this way because I do some other checks. I don't just put the band, the tensioner on there, and then I'm done, I'm ready to cut. So I make sure I do the best cut I can because I don't want to run it through a planer and overwork my planer, which this should be doing a job. So I just take a ruler and I'll measure from the deck up, and it'll give me, so many inches on this side, so many inches this side, and then I'll just go all the way down, and then I'm ready to cut. But for a beginner out there, this guy, I'm telling you guys, this will save you a lot of aggravation, time, frustration, whatever you want to call it, to help out to get you started on how to tighten your band up and where you don't have to over tighten it, because I'm for sure there's a few of us out there that's over tighten this and lost the settings and then say, well, it's not cutting through the log, and that's basically what you did. You over tightened it, and this works really well. You can also use this in a wood shop on a table band, and that works really nice on it because I have a table band. But I just want to throw it out and let you guys see it, give you guys, especially the beginners, and give them a little heads up on some things that might help them out a little bit, make it a little bit easier to cut, because I know when I first started it was pretty frustrated. So all right, well, thanks for watching, and I sure hope this video is going to help somebody out to help you guys set up your meal and make it. But if you get a chance, you get more advice on it, more information on it, go to Cook Sawmill on YouTube, and he explains it a lot better than I do, and I appreciate you guys for helping me out, and thanks for watching.